One short tip that you should tell your bookkeeper is to start adding vendors to your expense categorization. So every vendor, every expense of yours will have a vendor. And what do I generally do is, generate an vendor to expense report. So like each vendor goes in which expense report to the client so that, the client can easily see, okay, this vendor is not going to the correct expense account. You need to change it because, each client has a different preference. So make sure you do this vendor to expense report at least 6 monthly and see the difference. Like I've done it with my clients and it really does work wonder because each business is completely different and the way a business owner wants to analyze the reports is completely different. So yeah, I make sure that my client is satisfied. The bookkeeping report that I give every month should be very satisfactory and he should be able to get a great insight out of that. So for that, I even use, what do we say, monthly reports that are generated by QuickBooks. They have beautiful reports, instant generation, and yes, the client gets great insights. They can even be automated too. Do let me know if you want to know more about it.